Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Almanak token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Almanak is an agent-centric no-code platform that enables users to build, optimize, and deploy sophisticated quantitative trading and assets management strategies using an institutional-grade AI agent swarm. The platform compresses the development cycle of advanced financial strategies from months to minutes, democratizing access to financial intelligence traditionally reserved for hedge funds. Almanak is an AI-powered DeFi platform enabling users to create and deploy automated financial strategies through non-custodial on-chain agents. Almanak token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is not showing yet. Almanac token is listed on Bybit, Gate.io, BingX, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.